Hello, I'm continuing on my kitchen declutter and I'm now going to the cupboards. Now please excuse the while, I'm trying to light it up so you can see what I'm doing. It's the end of the day and it's getting dark, so that's for a light to light it up. It's actually a bit too bright, but I couldn't figure it out. So this is a corner cupboard. I have 3 corner cupboards within my kitchen, so there's a lot of space within these cupboards that's quite hard to get to and use. So within those spaces I put things that I hardly ever use, or it's completely empty. Now my question to a lot of you is it alright to have an empty space? We do a lot of declutters, and whenever we clear a space for someone and they don't have something to put there, they seem to wonder what can they put there. They want to put something within the space. So is it okay just to have an empty space? I think it's okay, and one of these cupboards has, the corner is completely empty. So let me show you what I've got. So with the top shelf, I've got a space saver at the back. It's not really used as a space saver because I've got plenty of space here. It's so that my items are easier to get to. So the top is mostly bowls of different shapes. Then the bottom shelf is all my plates. That is too many plates for me, but I have to admit sometimes I do end up using them all. And then I've got a water jug for when I have visitors, and behind it is another jug for keeping hot water in. If we go to the other side, oh, that's hard to see. So there's lots of glasses at the top. I have these glasses I use for breakfast. These are my everyday glasses. And at the back are my fancy glasses. So my new champagne glasses. Thank you very much, Jackie and David. They were a birthday present. And I have some fancy wine glasses. But mostly, for me, I use these smaller wine glasses because I can then break them. So they are freebies from local wineries. I use those a lot. And then down on the bottom shelf I've got all my mugs. To the side I've got chopsticks. I find it really easy to have them here and get them when I need them. At the back I've got teapots. I've got 2. I do use both of them, but not very often, so they're kept at the back. And then my mugs. So 2 very special mugs here, thanks to Inky Feet and Business Fusion. I love this one. On the bottom, it says, at the back, it says the boss, which is me, obviously. And the other one is personally named. How nice is that? At the back, I've also got 2 other mugs that are really special to me. These I would class as memorabilia. So they were given to me by my dad. He passed away 18 years ago. I do use them. I don't see the point of having them and not using them, but I don't use them very often. And then some plastic cups for when I have visitors. So now let's have a look at what I got rid of, because I'm really quite impressed with all the stuff that I've decided to get rid of. For a declutterer, look at everything that I had in my cupboards. So I have used this teapot, but really I don't need 3 teapots, so decided that I can do with just 2. These are all odd mugs that I had. Once again, I don't need that many mugs. An odd glass, I've got enough glasses. The bowls I do use, but I think that I will be fine without them, so I use them when I run out and I haven't run the dishwasher. I can get away with just taking one out and washing it if I need. I find this a little bit unfortunate. There was a set of 4. I gave 3 away to charity, not realizing that 1 was left over, so unfortunately I've split the set. And then these are some serving platters. I just don't use them. So what am I putting in the corner part of the cupboard? I've got this beautiful platter, another birthday present, which is great because it's white, goes with most things. And then I've got a set for milk, sugar, and what would the other one be used for? I'm not sure, but it's a set, and I use it when I've got visitors, and it goes really well together. So they'll be in the corner. And then these are another bit of memorabilia that I still use. They were given to my parents as a wedding present. I keep them in the box and just use them for really special occasions. So they will go into the corner part of the cupboard, and that's it.